In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the text group in the design tab of the Timesavers add-in. The text group is there to help you to quickly and easily change the spacing of the lines in the text in shapes that you have selected or specific text that you've selected as well. So first I'm going to show you these buttons over here. These allow you to increase or decrease the spacing based on what the spacing already is. So here you can increase by 10% or by 2%, and you can decrease by 10% or by 2%. So if I click on this, I'm going to be increasing the spacing for all of the text in this shape by 10%, and I can decrease it by 10% as well. And I can increase it by 2%, and I can decrease it by 2% as well, so that I can have a little bit more control. Then you also have the option of setting the line spacing using this over here. So if I want to make the line spacing single line spacing, then I'll put in a 1 over there and I'll click on that. It'll make it single line spacing. If I want 1.5 line spacing, I'll put in 1.5 and I'll click on there and that'll change it to 1.5 spacing, or double line spacing, and then I can change it like that by putting in a 2 over there and clicking on this button. It will set it to double line spacing. I can also put in other values, so like 1.1, and then it'll change it to 1.1 line spacing, which is different to single line spacing like that. So you can have other values as well. Also, you can change the spacing for specific text. So if you just want to change the spacing of a single paragraph, you can select any of the text in that paragraph or the whole paragraph, doesn't matter. But even if I just select one word in that paragraph, then when I change the spacing, it will change the spacing for the whole paragraph. So if I do this, that whole paragraph, the spacing is going to increase by 10% at a time, and I can decrease it as well. Now, if I am happy with the spacing that I've got over here, but I don't know what this spacing value is, but I want to use it for the rest of my text in this shape, what I can do is I can, while I have this selected, I can go and use this button. I can click on it and it will fill in the line spacing value for the text that I've got selected. And then if I select other text, or if I select the whole shape, it will apply that line spacing to the other text or to all the text in the shape. The same as what I had for the text that I liked over there. So you can also get the line spacing from text that you already have and apply that to other text as well by using this button to get it, and then it'll fill in over there, and then you can apply it using that button. And that is how you use the text group in the design tab of the Timesavers add-in. I hope that has been helpful, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Thank you. Goodbye.